So many of you have told me something. You found neurographic art, and maybe you've watched a few videos, and maybe you have supplies sitting right there, waiting. And when you finally sit down in front of that blank page, nothing. Frozen. Maybe even a little overwhelmed. Or you hear that voice. You know the one. I don't know how to start. What if mine doesn't look like what I saw online? What if I ruin it? I hear you. I really do. I've been there too. And today I want to answer that. Because what I've come to understand is that stuck place before the first mark, it's not a mechanics problem. Not knowing where to start, it feels like a skills gap, doesn't it? But in my experience, it's something else entirely. The not knowing is an expression of our nervous system, and our nervous system is brilliantly designed, to keep us safe. So when we sit down with something new, something that matters to us, the system does a very predictable thing. It scans. It asks, am I going to do this wrong? Will this be embarrassing? Or it concludes, mine doesn't look like theirs. And that uncertainty creates a freeze response, a flight response, or a very subtle level of fear. We misread that as I just don't know what to do first. But the body is waiting for something much simpler. It's waiting for a signal that says we are safe here. This page is for you, and you can't do it wrong. And that signal doesn't come from knowing the rules. It comes from beginning with regulation. Regulate, integrate, create. In that order. Always in that order. So let me show you what that actually looks like. I want to say something before we move into the drawing. What you're about to watch is a process with watercolor, because watercolor is how I personally love to enter the page. It's soft, it's fluid, and it wants to move. But I'm also going to show you this same process in colored pencil and in marker, because the message that I want to leave you with today is this. Start with the materials you have. Start with the materials that you enjoy. The process, it's the same. The invitation is the same. So begin where you are. All right, so let's get started. Before I touch the paper, before I even reach for a color, I breathe. One breath that says to my nervous system, we're here, we're safe, and we have time. So breathe with me. That, right there. That is step one. That's the actual first step of regulate. Everything else comes after this. Now the first mark. I'm going to use watercolor circles. Loose, overlapping, not planned. And I want to show you how I choose color. Not with my brain. My brain will always analyze. Is this color too bright? Does it work? What should I pick next? So as I'm choosing colors, I'm checking in with my body. Right now, this one, the opera pink. The mark making and color are doing something specific here. They're externalizing what's happening internally. They help us to bring our nervous system out of stress gently and easily. This doesn't always need to be beautiful. It really is just energy finding its way onto the page. Notice, there is no plan and no right way. The page is receiving whatever you're bringing to it. That's its whole job right now. Something has already happened. This page isn't blank anymore. And you started. Feel the pen moving through what's already there. The color is underneath, the line is on top, and something is beginning to integrate. When lines cross, and they will, we round those places. We soften the intersections. In neurographic art, that rounding is doing something real. It's smoothing the activation in the nervous system, signaling through the motion of the hand that the sharp places can soften. The nervous system continues to regulate with every rounded intersection. Flow enters. A kind of shift, or a downshift, begins to happen. If you're drawing along, wonderful. If you're watching, that's okay too. Your nervous system is receiving this either way. Your body knows when this step is complete. You can always add more lines and do more rounding. But there's a moment when you feel like, yes, something is ready. Now we create. This is where we add dynamics, where we excavate what's already here, deepen it, refine it, and let it become more fully itself. This is a process of unfolding, not controlling. We can recognize controlling when our self-judging inner critic steps in. It talks to us saying the line isn't right, that color is wrong, or mine doesn't look like hers. That voice, it's designed to keep us safe. We can notice it and we can say thank you. And we're continuing. This is about allowing rather than directing. And there it is. I also want to show you this same process. Here in colored pencil as the entry layer, and here in marker. Same structure. First the breath, color and shape on the page, neurographic lines, then rounding, then deepening. Each has a little bit different feeling, but the invitation is the same. Start with what you have. Start with what you love. The materials are the door. The process is what's on the other side. Did you notice what we just did there? We didn't start with mechanics. We started with the body. Breath, color and shape on the page, externalizing what was happening internally. Lines and rounding, smoothing our nervous system and inviting flow. And then creating from that regulated, integrated place. Regulate, integrate, create. And here's the thing I want to leave with you. You, as the creator, are more important than any object you create. I can tell you from my personal experience, my messiest drawings, The ones I looked at and thought, oh, this is nothing, these are the ones that brought me the most regulation. New ideas, cleared emotions, and a mind that could actually breathe. And from that place, there's always a new page, a new canvas. It just appears. And if something shifted in you from watching, notice that. You don't have to do anything with it. That shift is information. That's your body recognizing something it already knows. Your body already knows. And listening can be as simple as that first line, shape, or color on the page. Now, if you want to walk through this process, step by step, together, and complete your first neurographic drawing, I made something for you. It's called the first line. It's a mini video course, and we walk through your first drawing together from that first breath all the way through. It's free. The link is right here in the description, and all you need is a pen and something to draw on. And if you're ready to go deeper, or if you want the full foundation, the complete Neurographica art methodology, the algorithms, the theory, all of it's held in one place. The Neurographica Basic User Course, and it's there for you as well. That link is in the description too. If something came up for you today, what shifted, what you noticed, what surprised you, tell me about it in the comments. I read every single one, and I would love to hear your experience. And I'll leave you with these parting words. Just remember, your body already knows. Trust that. Thanks for drawing with me today, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.